So once you solve the first 3 layers, after this we will try to make a yellow cross, just like we do in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. We will try to make a yellow cross, and to make a yellow cross we will use the same steps: F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. So after doing it, your yellow cross might be solved. But sometimes what would happen, out of the 4 edges of this yellow cross, 3 are done and the 4th one is opposite. It's flipped. It's instead of being on top, it's on the front. So it's flipped. So this is called a OLL parity case. And this case is almost unsolvable. You have to again move away from this case and start solving it. So how to solve this case? So to solve this OLL parity case, when the 2 edges are on, when the 4th edge out of these 4 edges, this 4th edge is flipped. It's on the other side. It's not on top. Even if you do FRU, R prime, U prime, F prime, it won't come on top. So to solve this, keep that flipped edge in front of you and then do R, U2 and then do X move, then again R, U2, then again R, it's small r, U2, small r prime, U2, then small l, U2, small r prime, U2, small r, U2, small r prime, U2 and then small r prime. After doing this, see all the 4 edges right now are on top.